Today we are going to try another mindfulness exercise. We will use our senses to explore our environment. To prepare, let's sit comfortably, close our eyes, and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Take one more deep cleansing breath in and slowly release. As you sit comfortably in your space, close your eyes and push away all other thoughts. Allow the thoughts to float away, leaving space in your mind for our activity today. Let's first focus on our sense of smell. Notice what you are smelling in our environment. What sensations do you experience as you smell? What memories come to mind? Turn your focus now to your hearing. What do you hear? Do you know where in the room the sound is coming from? What sensations do you experience in your body as you hear? Let's focus now on our sense of touch. What do you feel through your hands? Notice how the sense travels through your body. Where does it go? What feeling do you experience? Turn your attention to your sense of taste. What do you taste in your mouth right now? What thoughts enter your mind as you notice the taste? Open your eyes. What is it like to return your sense of sight? What do you notice that you haven't noticed before?